Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel BALUMASTER. Today I am going to discuss integration formula proofs, proof number 5. This is also most important proof in your final examination for all second PUC students. So proof is integral 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Also find the combination question they'll ask integral 1 by x square minus 16 dx friends. This kind of proofs we are going to solve by using partial fraction. Integral 1 by x square minus a square dx can be written as integral. It is look like a square minus b square format. The formula is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is equals to, the formula is a minus b into a plus b. If you apply this format, you are getting denominator x minus a into x plus a. In the numerator 1 is there. Just I want to multiply and divide by 2a. Into dx. Now this can be written as 1 by 2a into integral 1 by x minus a 1 by x plus a. Either in between, either you are going to use plus sign or else minus sign. For example, if you use plus sign, what happened? X plus a plus x minus a get cancelled, you are getting 2x. But in the numerator 2a is there, we are going to take minus sign into dx. What happened? This is, now if you try to simplify, you are getting x plus a minus of x minus a, then x plus a minus x minus of minus plus a, x get cancelled, you are getting plus 2a in the numerator, then this will be balanced. So this can be written as 1 by 2a into bracket begin integral 1 by x minus a dx minus integral 1 by x plus a dx. Then this can be written as 1 by 2a into, so the formula for integral 1 by x dx is equals to log mod x plus c, and hence this can be written as log mod x minus a minus log mod x plus a plus c. There is no function of function here, x derivative is 1 only. So 1 by 2a into log a minus log b can be written as log a by b, and hence this can be written as log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. That's all friends. It's a very easiest question. Then the combination question friends, integral 1 by x square minus 16 dx can be written as integral 1 by x square minus 4 square dx. It is of the form integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. So a is nothing but 4. If you apply the formula 1 by 2a, a is what? 4 into log mod x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus c. This is equals to 1 by 8 log mod x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus c. That's all friends. It's a very easiest question friends. Next I'll come with proof number 6. That's all for today's class friends. Thank you so much friends. Thanks a lot.